2018 Audi RS3. Cramming absurd amounts of power into compact automobiles is an art form. Thanks to Volkswagen's pioneering work with the Golf GTI, the hatchback body style is the most common vessel for these engineering experiments. Something about the blend of utility and performance gets the modern car enthusiast all riled up. Though hot hatch love is universal, Americans have historically been overlooked by European and Japanese automakers. When jealousy got the better of us, we'd find the nearest V8 muscle car and rip a burnout. Alas, it was only a short-term solution. Then, what felt overnight, manufacturers began shipping their automotive untouchables to the US and came Ford's Focus RS, Honda's Civic Type R, and Audi's RS3, just as they appeared overseas. Well, almost. The five-door hatchback succeeded even our most inflated expectations, but Audi's insistence on a sedan-bodied RS3 rubbed us the wrong way. At first we scoffed, but then we got a look at its spec sheet. 400 horsepower, you say? Might as well take it for a spin before passing judgment. To conduct a fair trial, we took the baby RS on roadways and raceways, at sea level, and 2,500 feet above it. Now it's time to read the verdict. Here's our 2018 Audi RS3 review. What's new? Abroad, Audi has sold 2 generations of its RS3, both with an inline 5-cylinder engine made from cast iron. 2017 was both the first model year for the US market RS3 and the first application of Audi's aluminum block 5-cylinder, shared with the TT-RS. The 2018 model year RS3 now receives blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert as standard, but all other changes from 2017 take the form of optional packages. Trim levels and features. As both the entry point for Audi's most pumped-up performance cars and the A3 model line's uppermost designation, the RS3 is styled for impact. At the front, the RS3's wider track, compared to A3/S3 versions, features larger air intakes with platinum slats to match current RS vehicles. Standard LED headlights and daytime running lights assure eye-searing goodness after dark, while a prominent Quattro badge at the base of the honeycomb grille points to the car's all-wheel drive setup. In profile, standard 19-inch 5-arm blade wheels can be finished in silver, titanium, or with black accents. Choose the black optic package, $1,300, to add black housings for the mirror caps, a black grille surround, and a black rear lip spoiler. At the rear, a platinum trim piece outlines the diffuser and a pair of large oval exhausts. As we've come to expect from Audi RS products, the overall look is sharp and imposing without crossing into garish territory. At its $55,900 starting point, $400 more than last year, the 2018 Audi RS3 is loaded with standard features like a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry and ignition, a backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, heated front seats, heated, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone automatic climate control, HD radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, HD radio, and dual USB ports. Audi also offers a number of packages to nudge the RS3 higher in the luxury hierarchy.